All right, before we get this video started, I just want to say thank you. I haven't told y'all thank you for everyone who've ever supported me, man. Like, y'all supporting the real. Trust me, I'm the real deal. You know what I mean? So for the people that support the real, you will be enlightened. You will be. Bro, would I lie to you? Look at this face. Would I lie to you? Well, don't answer that, because, you know, most do be lying. But I'm not lying. Y'all, trust me, bro. I just want to say thank you to everyone who purchased anything from the Zosh MFG store, or just clicked the video, liked, subscribed, commented, shared it with the homies, your girlfriend, your ex-girlfriend, anything like that. I appreciate you, and I thank you very much, man. Thank you. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are busting up my tranny real quick. Gearbox, dag. We're doing some gearbox work. Right now it is 2:50. Today is Friday, October. The newest people to support the build is Synchrotech. They gave me an outstanding deal on a synchro set and a hub and slider that I need for my gearbox. And yes, so that should be forwarding in the mail today. I got the wheels off, got the car already raised up on the raised support system. Can't say jacks, dog, because you know how I mean. Bumbleclot. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Friday and you're not dropping a gearbox. I hope. Okay, so it's now around like 4:23, something like that. I was actually cooling. Usually I can drop this gearbox in no time. It is 4:26, but we have the gearbox out and we received our package from Synchrotech. So let's open this up and hope. Let's hope and pray that it's the right stuff. I hope so. I really do. There go my return label. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Ooh, Synchro, let's get it. Ooh, let's get it. Hold on, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, let's get it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, let's get it. Hold on, baby. Oh, man. Monica. Ooh, let's get it. I think that's it. That should be all of it. Got a little got a lanyard, got some sticker wickers, and yeah. So this is everything I ordered from Synchrotech. I got my third gear, hub and sleeve along with the slider, and synchros from hold on. I think is it first to fourth? I think it's first through fourth or damn, I can't remember. But all in all, I got everything I need to fix my fourth gear issue, which is, it's weird. It's weird. So my car would grind fourth gear when the car is warming up. Once it's warmed up, doesn't grind anymore. It should be opposite, but when I double clutch, when it's like still cold, it doesn't grind, which if you double clutch and put into the gear that it's grinding in, and if it doesn't grind, then your synchro is the culprit. Like, that's a problem. So ordered everything that I needed. I want to give a huge thank you to David over at Synchrotech for working with your boy on this, giving me a good deal on this stuff. So thank you guys. Now we're just gonna wait for Rennie to get here, and then we can open, well, I can open up the gearbox myself, which I probably would do. But all in all, once Rennie get here, we can, you know, assemble everything and put it back in and get this car back on the road. Hours passed, Rennie fired it through. I already got the transmission bolts off. Needle nose. Yeah. And now we take off the case. Piece wood, 2-piece wood. No, I do not. But yeah, case finna come off, and then from there, you know, all the fun stuff, and then yeah. Pop goes the weasel. Pop, 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 pop goes the weasel. We do this shit so many times, it's not even a. What the hell was that? Gearbox, brethren! When you're a bad man like Randy, you gotta make sure, you know what I mean, your forks and your tranny good. Yeah. But real talk though.
What?
Real talk though.
Is it raining?
Nah.
My window is down.
That's probably my mom outside. Booming, bitch. My mom be booming, booming. So to Randy's discovery, the problem I was having was a bad spring for fourth gear. It's like, it's super loose. It doesn't, not like the other ones, like third and fifth and sixth, but fourth gear. That was my problem the whole time. Thought it was synchro related, but it doesn't matter. We'll replace all that shit anyway. But yep, my problem.
Synchro kind of chewed up though.
Yeah, I mean, I was banging the shit out of fourth. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the one I didn't replace either.
Yeah.
Because what I was doing, I was only replacing
not
what was
just
bad.
the ring, it's synchro.
Yeah, yeah.
Synchro shot. Told you I had to replace that shit.
Well, now.
If it ain't broken, I ain't gonna fix it.
Which is facts, bruh. If it ain't broken, don't fix it, dog. Like, I know it makes sense. Like, if you got one bad wheel bearing, replace the other one. You know what I mean? But me, I'm poor. You know what I mean? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know what I mean? That shit might be broke. Hit it with your purse. Bitch finna put a dent in the floor.
You got a piece of it, no, you don't.
Alright, so it's the next day. I was supposed to pick up, well, the goal was to pick up a 5th and 6th synchro from Gear Driven, but man, it was busy, I think. Or pick up any damn 5th and synchro from anybody, but nobody had. And well, I'm gonna reuse mine. It's not too bad. As long as the spring and stuff is good and the hub and slider slides on, it's fine. I talked to the homie Sean Skates and he said shit solid enough. I'm like, alright, say less. So now Randy is putting on the new hub and sleeve for 3rd and 4th. Well, this is some sad news. Randy went home already. I just cut the camera off because I've been trying to source out parts. Well, I need a 4th gear spring. I didn't know when you order synchros, the springs are sold separate. I didn't know that. So I have to order springs now. So this video, sadly, is gonna have to come to a close until I get the parts that I need. I'm trying to go down to either Genesis Automotive or Dale and pick this up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I need this ASAP, dog. I need this ASAP, bro. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get my car ready by Monday because I have a huge car feature that's gonna really help with the channel. And if I don't have the car running, then it won't happen. I just didn't know that when you order a synchro set, they don't come with springs. Very unfortunate. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You probably won't, but if you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. Now I don't give a that whole bus. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for always tuning into the videos, no matter what I may title it. Well, I'm out. Peace.